Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in RBM Smart HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.ippls.rw. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and the password of the account. Once you do this, tap on the login button and then you will be logged in your account. However, if you have forgotten your password, tap on reset password to simply reset and change your password. However, if you have still confusion, then simply contact your HR for help. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.